Restoring sending privileges on Robinhood can be a straightforward process if you follow the right steps. Here is a simple guide to help you through it. Step 1. Log into your account. Access your Robinhood account by entering your username and password. Ensure you are using the latest version of the Apple website for the best experience. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, go to the account settings. This is usually found by tapping on the account icon or menu in the Apple website. Step 3. Check for account restrictions. In the account settings, look for any notifications or alerts regarding restrictions on your account. This section will inform you if there are any issues affecting your sending privileges. Step 4. Contact customer support. Before starting recovery, use the SWOC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Follow up on your requests. After contacting support, keep an eye on your email or app notifications for updates regarding your request. Be prepared to provide any additional information they may need to restore your privileges. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on Robinhood. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to the support team for further assistance.